Hello, my name is Paula Russell. I'm a lecturer here in the School of Geography, Planning and Environmental Policy in University College Dublin. My main research interest is in the area of public participation and community engagement in the planning system. I'm interested in why we should engage the public in planning, and I think there is a recognition that now that by planners, by planning theory, that there is a need for public engagement, that it's recognised that you get a lot of better outcomes from plans where communities, individuals have been involved in that planning process. So although the theory says it's good, sometimes there's a bit of a gap between theory and practice, and I think that's where research steps in to look at what actually happens on the ground when local authorities and others try and engage communities. And the way people engage. So are people engaging by protesting? Do they engage in an informal way? Do they lobby their politicians? Or do they engage in more formal ways through lodging objections to planning applications or appealing planning decisions and so on? We've done some research here in the school on a number of elements related to public participation and engagement. We've looked at how communities have engaged in urban regeneration projects. We've also looked at how communities organise through things like residents' associations and then engage with the planning process. And we've also looked at the outcomes of that engagement. Has it been good for the communities? Has it been bad? How do people perceive their dealings with the planning authorities? And I suppose my interest in all of this arose when I was an undergraduate and I was doing geography and sociology, and I believed and saw a way of bringing those two subjects together in a postgraduate education in planning. Because planning deals with both the physical environment, the built environment, and also those social issues, where people live, how can get access to facilities, access to open space, how they can use the transport to get to schools, to get to work and so on. And also the wider political system, because planning is quite political as well. So I think planning really is a great discipline for bringing together and integrating a range of different other areas. So if you've got an interest in, as I say, the built physical environment, if you've an interest in social issues, interest in political issues, coming and doing a degree either on undergraduate level or a postgraduate level in planning provides and opens doors to a really interesting future career.